how to touch her during a hug so she feels a stronger connection right away. Most men think a hug is only a hug, a simple gesture, or a friendly hello. They don't realize that inside that short moment of contact is a powerful chance to build connection. When done with the right natural signals, it becomes a silent conversation that can create attraction faster than words. Today, Dr. Jodie Whittaker shares 4 quiet rules that can turn a simple hug into a moment she remembers. The biggest mistake is thinking touch is only touch. In reality, it's a form of communication. Her nervous system reads your pressure, hand placement, and timing as signs of safety, confidence, and attraction. Learn this silent language and you express your value on a deep, natural level. Let's start with Secret 1, the anchoring palm, the foundation of a memorable hug. Secret 1, the anchoring palm. Where you place your hand is the first message you send. Most men place their hand on the upper back or give a light pat. That usually feels like something a friend would do. A stronger approach is to rest your palm gently but firmly on the lower back, just above the tailbone. This isn't simply seen as a romantic area, it's connected to feelings of balance and protection. When your hand stays there with calm confidence, it can quietly communicate strength and security instead of making her overthink the moment. It shows that you can create a comfortable and safe space, both physically and emotionally. Secret 2, steady support. This is where purpose meets action. A weak or uncertain hug often shows nervousness. It can feel like you're unsure if you should even be there. Your hug should feel confident with steady and comfortable pressure around her. Don't squeeze too hard but let it feel solid and secure. This creates a real feeling of comfort. She should feel gently surrounded by your presence, not just lightly touched by your arms. That feeling of being held with confidence is uncommon today, and it can quickly create comfort and a quiet sense of connection. Secret 3, the perfect timing. Timing quietly changes everything. A quick 2-second hug feels more like a greeting, but something different happens between 5 and 7 seconds. This is often described as the point where the bonding hormone oxytocin begins to increase. Many men become nervous and pull away after only 3 seconds because they worry they've stayed too long. That uncertainty is easy to notice. Staying calm for a full 5 to 7 seconds creates a peaceful pause. It gives her nervous system time to relax into the moment. The outside world seems to disappear, leaving only the shared breathing and the comfort of the hug. That short pause is where a normal hug can become a meaningful memory. If these ideas are helping you, hit the like button now. What comes next is the final detail that many men never notice. Secret 4, the lingering signature. The way you end the hug matters just as much as the way it begins. Don't pull away too quickly. People often remember the last touch the most. As you slowly lean back, let one hand move gently from her back down the side of her arm, or lightly brush the back of her neck or her hair. This isn't meant to grab her. It's only a soft, thoughtful touch. The neck is a sensitive area with many nerves, so a brief and respectful touch there as you separate can leave a lasting feeling of trust and quiet confidence. It creates a gentle memory that stays with her even after you've walked away. She may remember that feeling and naturally replay the moment in her mind. Understand this. The difference between an average man and a truly memorable one is rarely found in big speeches. It's often built through these small details that quietly speak to another person's emotions. You now have a simple guide to make an everyday hug feel more warm and meaningful. Use this knowledge with respect, confidence, and honest intentions. If this changes the way you think about future interactions, support the channel by hitting the like button. For more helpful insights about the silent language of attraction, follow our channel.